up there! The water's spilling!
Watch your footing on the ramp.
Almost there.
Okay, set it down easy. Pull harder on the left side.
It's secure now.
Bring the next canvas over here.
Where does this crate go?
Over by the solar array.
The readings here are stable, matching the previous scan.
What about the gradient near the ridge?
All right, we are clear for activation. Start the main descent slowly.
Copy that. Engaging now.
We've got a pressure spike.
I'm on it, slowing the rotation.
Yes! We finally did it!
The water is here! Look at it go!
Incredible!
Keep coming down slowly.
Oh!
Watch the alignment there.
Okay, drop it.
Lower it slowly, watch the alignment. Almost there, hold it. All right, secure the bolt.
Control, this is Site 3. Connection is secure. Proceed with flow test.
All right, sink it right there. How's the tension on your end?
It's taut.
This one's secure. Moving up. We need to make sure this section is completely flat before we cover it.
All right, I see the next marker from here.
This one looks strong. Put it in the first tray.
Got it. How about the next batch? Watch the back on this one.
Okay, bring it down slowly.
And push. And push. Ready the water now.
That's the last one for me.
Perfect. We are finally done with this section. The soil moisture is consistently low on this side, but the sensor readings for nutrient uptake are stable.
The fruit set here is exceptional though.
Look at the yield here. It's remarkable given the environment.
The data on the tablet confirms the success.
The color recovery looks promising on this section.
It matches the 7.2 reading on the chart.
We should log this immediately.
Listen up. We hit these first rows hard before the heat sees in. Stay hydrated and watch your spacing.
We need to clear this section before the heat gets too high.
Okay, I see a good cluster over here.
นู่นไง ตรงนั้นสุกแล้ว
ตะกร้าเต็มแล้ว ฉันจะเอาไปเก็บ
Watch the crates, stack them tight.
Next one goes in the back left.
Check the size on these. Okay, moving them to crate 3.
Keep an eye on the quality down there. We are seeing too many soft ones.
Understood. We will pick them out.
Watch the sizing on the next batch.
All right, monitoring closely.
Watch the blockage on belt 2.
I see it. Clearing it now. Keep the main line moving. We have a backup on this side.
I see it. Pushing them through now.
Thanks. They're coming fast today.
Send the small ones down here.
Okay, I have 3 bins full of the large ones already.
We need more trays on line 2.
Check this one, it's oversized. All right, putting it aside now.
This bin is full. Take it away.
Got it. Bring in a new one.
Confirming shipment 111. Bay 4 is secure. Proceed with the next pallet.